Now welcome student, and now first step we can learn the basic concept of pharmaceutical firm designing. So here you see in this course we can design HVAC system designing for pharmaceutical firm. This is the course, and now we start about as you know that the HVAC is related to the air and ventilation, and similarly in pharmaceutical firms there are different medicines are manufactured. So there are in every country there are different department who who can ensure the standards of pharmaceutical firm. So similarly in USA, US FDA is a department which is US Food and Drug Administration department, which can supervise the pharmaceutical facility. So the pharmaceutical facility are closely supervised by US Food and Drug Administration. So this organization can ensure all the standards, and they can supervise the pharmaceutical facilities. So the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or you can also say that US FDA, is a federal agency of the United States Department of Health and Human Services. So US FDA is basically the agency of, or the Department of Health and Human Services of USA. The federal agency is responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the control and supervision of food safety, tobacco product, uh, dietary supplements, prescriptions, and over-the-counter pharmaceutical drugs, medication, vaccines, biopharmaceutical, blood transfusion, medical devices, electromagnetic radiation emitted devices, cosmetics, animal food, and feed and veterinary product. So here you see this agency, the US FDA, is responsible. Their responsibility is to protect and promote public health, and they can protect and promote public health by through by controlling and supervising uh, food safety and all other thing. But the major here you see they are also control the all the prescription and over the counter pharmaceutical drug medications. So they also control the pharmaceutical uh, and pharmaceutical drugs and medication, vaccine, bio pharmaceutical, and all these things. So that's why we use US FDA standard, and when we design a pharmaceutical firm or uh, pharmaceutical industry, we ensure that they can uh, achieve the US FDA standards. So US FDA standards are the best standards, and we by using US FDA and by ensuring their safety measures, we can remove all the hazards of these products.